with the products of Inwatec, we are able to offer something that nobody else does and that the whole world is ready for. Robotics, AI, the next step, and we're the first. I've been a board member for the past 6 months or so, but I've been attending board meetings for the past year. I am the daughter of the founder, so I grew up with the company and know it well. It's kind of in my blood, so it's a great pleasure, great opportunity to be on the board. I know that Inwatec is known as a company of laundry nerds, so I expected something high-tech here, and I have not been disappointed. I've seen the workflow, I've seen the work methodology, the processes of working that are really at the forefront of how things should be done. Very efficient, standardizing items. It's visual, it's very alive, and I found this very inspiring.